Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get I actually woke up at 7 a.m. today, but for whatever reason, my files didn't upload last night, so I had to basically spend 6 hours just chilling in bed, not doing anything, waiting for my files from yesterday's vlog to upload so that my editor could go to work. So I guess when you're watching this, for yesterday's video. So I could have just went about my day and not film, but I'm like, fuck that. I'm on the daily YouTube vlog grind, no excuses. Even if it sucks, even if it makes things a lot more annoying, I'm not gonna give myself any alibis. Like, I'm gonna do what is required. And I tell that to myself all the time. Like, anytime anything in business or life feels like, oh, you could do it tomorrow, like, I'm not really feeling it today, I always just say, fuck that. I'm not listening to that voice in my head. I'm gonna fucking do it anyway. We're gonna start this vlog at 1 p.m. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. And moving forward, to prevent this, is I just bought a backup SD card. So now, just in case this ever happens again, praying that it doesn't, I'll be able to upload my files on one SD card and film on a completely different SD card. But anyways, luckily I'm an entrepreneur and I get to do whatever I want, whenever I want, whoever I want, including laying in bed for 6 hours and still be able to make money. So we are starting off the day late, but luckily I really only have one meeting today at 2:45 p.m. Central Time, which is in about an hour 40. So plenty of time to still do my morning routine in this fine afternoon. Let's get the day started. Let's go. It's good.
Great morning routine.
Nice. Exact opposite of me. Just wrapped up a little basketball session. Now I have a meeting with my business partners in 10 minutes. Then after that, probably gonna hit the classic pool hot tub steam sauna combo. You know what I mean? Thursdays are extremely chill for me. Not much going on. But the beauty of being in entrepreneurship, you just have all the time freedom to do whatever the hell you want. So let's cut to the meeting. Meeting done. Now off to the pool. Let's go. So it's 4 p.m. We're finally doing a little bit of work. So we're gonna be hosting a free class next Thursday. So right now it's Thursday, so exactly a week from now, on exactly how to earn a full-time income from home. Just type messages on your phone. And so with that being said, we need to make sure people actually show up to said class. So currently fixing all my email automations, making sure to remind people to actually show up, which is super boring work and very tedious. And luckily I interned at Microsoft and I was able to drop my full-time Microsoft career. Not trying to flex on you guys, but I have that very logical / automation, like if-else statement brain to be able to do all these different automations. I would say college and computer science and engineering didn't directly lead to my success, but it's definitely given me a couple general skills that are very useful. As you can tell, business isn't all sunshine and rain. Everybody sees entrepreneurship as like the flashy cars, the fancy Rolexes, the nice apartments, traveling, all of that. There's gonna be a lot of like little dumb shit that you have to do in business that you don't want to do but is required. And so for me, I always look at it as business as a macro is fun. I love it. It's my passion. I enjoy doing it. In the micro, there's gonna be a bunch of tiny little things that are super tedious that you don't want to do. Every time that I think that, fuck, I have to do this, and I have to do this, and then fuck, I have to do this, I just think to myself, I just zoom out a little bit and think like, I fucking love this game and I will do whatever the fuck it takes. And when I think that way, I don't mind doing all the boring work, because that boring work is what fuels the passion I have for entrepreneurship and business in general. So let's keep working on these emails. I'm filming a video for my email copywriter, so very advanced stuff, so bear with me. And you know the vibes. We got some Uber Eats, baby. I'm actually like really tired right now, but work still needs doing. So we're gonna get this fucking done. Hopefully I get it done early so I can go to sleep early because I am exhausted. Almost done with work, pretty much. Automations I was talking about, I am tired as hell. One last thing I gotta do, post my YouTube video. Before I do that, you know the drill. Some more Uber Eats, baby. 9:54. Finally done with all the work for the day. On FaceTime with my girlfriend. So yeah, let's turn off the laptop for the day. I'm dead as fuck, gonna go to sleep, but as always, official numbers for the day, $1,030. Not great, but did a lot of work today in terms of switching from our low ticket free training VSL to our webinar / free class. So I know it's all gonna pay off in the end. It's just right now going through this transition period and switching all these automations and systems. It's a lot of fucking work. I know in like a week to a month or even a couple months to a year, all of this shit will pay off in the end. I gotta keep grinding, keep pushing it, keep focusing on the process, and eventually I'm gonna get to that $1 million a month I've always been looking for. So stay tuned for the journey. I'm posting every single day on YouTube, the daily vlog grind, so follow along. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.